This video guides you through replacing the battery, SSD, and HDD on your Lenovo Yoga 9 laptop. While DIY replacements are feasible, understand the risks involved, especially regarding warranty and potential damage. Newer models prioritize sustainable design, sometimes making battery replacements trickier. We'll cover essential tools, safety precautions, and step-by-step instructions. Gather these essential tools for component replacement in the Lenovo Yoga 9. A precision screwdriver set with P5 and P0 bits is crucial for removing pentalobe screws. Plastic pry tools help safely separate components without scratching surfaces. An anti-static wrist strap prevents electrostatic discharge that could damage sensitive electronics. Thermal paste ensures proper heat transfer when reseating SSD or HDD components. A clean, well-lit workspace prevents dust contamination and ensures accuracy during repairs. Before starting any replacement, power off and unplug your Lenovo Yoga 9 laptop. Use the anti-static wrist strap to discharge any static electricity and protect components. Always back up your data before swapping SSD or HDD to prevent data loss. The Lenovo Yoga 9's bottom panel is typically secured by pentalobe screws. Carefully use the correct screwdriver to remove these screws. Employ plastic pry tools to gently separate the bottom panel from the laptop chassis. Avoid using excessive force to prevent hinge damage or cracking the case. Begin by locating the battery connector on the motherboard, which is typically a 2 or 3-pin plug. Disconnect the connector carefully to avoid damage to the pins or wires. Note that newer Lenovo Yoga 9 models often have batteries glued in place for sustainability. If adhesive is present, gently use plastic pry tools to loosen the battery without force. Be extremely cautious to avoid puncturing or damaging the battery, as this can be hazardous. Consider professional assistance if the battery is heavily glued. Yoga 9 laptops have M.2 slots for SSDs using NVMe PCIe Gen 4 or 5 standards, and 2.5-inch bays for traditional hard disk drives, depending on the model. First, unscrew the drive caddy that holds the SSD or HDD in place. Carefully remove the old SSD or HDD from its slot or bay. Insert the new SSD or HDD, making sure it aligns correctly in the slot or bay. Secure the new drive in place using the screws. Finally, use cloning software such as Macrium Reflect to transfer data from the old drive to the new one. Begin by carefully reassembling the laptop. Start with reapplying thermal pads to the SSD or HDD for proper cooling. Secure the bottom panel using the pentalobe screws. Ensure all screws are tightened properly without over-tightening. After reassembly, run Lenovo Diagnostics to verify the new components function correctly. Finally, check that the battery charges correctly and the new SSD or HDD is recognized by the system. If your laptop doesn't boot after replacement, start by double-checking all connections and ensuring components are properly seated. Try a power cycle by removing the battery if possible, then reconnecting it. For model-specific guidance, consult Lenovo's official support forums or check YouTube tutorials from channels like iFixit and Linus Tech Tips, which include updated guides for 2024-2025 models. Expert tips include noting that iFixit rates the Yoga 9i at 7/10 for repairability, with higher scores for some models. Always use certified parts to prevent warranty voiding, and consider PCIe 5.0 SSDs for enhanced performance in Gen 9 models, offering speeds up to 14 GB per second.